All right, let's talk about the comparative essay. You have 40 minutes, 2 texts, and 1 question. The goal is a band 6, but there's a fatal error that will stop you cold. Discussing one text, then the other. That text-by-text structure is a guaranteed way to cap your score. The non-negotiable secret to success is integration. From the very first sentence of your body paragraphs, both texts must be woven together, engaged in a constant dialogue. Think of yourself as a moderator for a conversation between 2 authors from different worlds. You're not just listing what they agree or disagree on, you're explaining why. And the answer is almost always context. A strong thesis doesn't just say the texts are similar but different. It argues that while both texts explore a human concern like power, one text, shaped by its 19th century context, sees resistance as an individual moral choice, whereas the other, a modern dystopian text, sees it as a collective political act. The comparison reveals something new that neither text can show on its own. Your 40 minutes are a sprint. Spend the first 7 minutes decoding the question and planning 3 sharp comparative points. Then, attack the body paragraphs, about 7 minutes each. Don't just state a point, prove it with evidence from both texts, analyze their dialogue, and link it back to your main argument. Your introduction sets the stage, your conclusion offers the final insight, and you should have a few minutes left to proofread. Ultimately, your job isn't just to compare 2 stories, it's to analyze the conversation they're having across time. Focus on that dialogue, on the meaning that only emerges when they're brought together, and you'll be on your way.